Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see increment, decrement operators and also assignments. Now to do that, I'm going to introduce some integer type of variables. Let's say integer coffee, that's equal to 5, and integer bass, that's equal to 18, and coffee is equal to coffee plus, or we can to do the increment, I put just plus plus in front. It will do the increment by 1 plus plus, right, semicolon right here, and also to print this one out, system dot out print line print ln, and here I put coffee. Okay, now let's go and run this one. Here we have coffee value of 5. It should give us 6, and you can also directly put that plus plus inside. It will do the same thing, plus plus. This one is pre-increment, so it will do the increment first, but if you do the post increment, here you can put the plus plus right here, but it doesn't work here because it will, if you put one more statement it will work, because it's printing out first and then doing the increment, so it doesn't work right here. But let's see what happens if I put it over here and print it. Okay, semicolon, and then now let's go and run this one. Now you can see we are getting 6 because it's doing the increment and after that printing it out. And same as that, we can do the decrement, pre-decrement, post-decrement. It's similar to the increment. So to do the decrement, you have to put minus minus. So 5 minus 1, that's gonna be 4. Okay. Same like that, you can do the multiplication, division, and those kind of things. To do like for one increment, to do the increment by 1, we do this method. But if you want to do the increment by, let's say, 5, you have to put coffee is equal to coffee plus 5. So it will do the increment by 5. So we should get 10 right here. And similar to that, you can do the multiplication, division, everything. Multiplication, coffee times 5, 25. Okay, similar to that you can do for everything. And that's it. That's how we use increment, decrement operators and also assignment. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. And also if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.